Welcome back today. I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Iceland trap beat today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification bell so anytime I drop new videos, you get notified. I'm going to be making Iceland trap beat today. So, when launching your FL Studio, make sure you just put your cursor on your FL Studio app, right click and just press open. Today is Iceland trap beat. So, I'm going to click on my FL Studio, click on this my channel rack. This is my channel rack here. I'm going to click on add, click on my FL keys. I'm going to left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheel to channel 5. I will then right click and press piano roll to start making my Iceland trap beat. That's it. I'll first of all program my first 2 bars, then copy right to bars number 8. This is my Iceland trap beat. Good. As you can see, I've made my 2 melody loops. I'm going to left click and hold it, highlight your left, press Ctrl and B several times to reach bar number 8. That's it. After doing so, I'm going to click on add, click on move bars, left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheel to channel 6, right click and press piano roll. This is my Iceland trap beat. But these are my bass melody now. That's it. Good. I'll start making my hi-hat now. I'm going to put my cursor on my hi-hat, right click and press piano roll. I'll start making my hi-hat now. I've made my 1 bar pattern on my hi-hat. I'm going to left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheel to the left, press Ctrl and B, right to bars number 8. After doing so, on my snare, I will right click and press piano roll. That's it. This is my snare. At the end of each bar, I'm putting my snare like this. At the end of each bar, I'm putting my snare. Let's play them. That's it. The next step is I'll start programming my kick now. This is my kick. I will left click and hold it, drag it to channel 1, right click and press piano roll. This is my, I'm arranging my kick now. Good. After doing so, I'm going to click on my kick now. Click on this boss knob, turn the boss knob right up. Let's play it. I'll start mixing my beat now. On channel 1 here, I'll click on slot 1, click on your Fruity parametric Q2, click on slot 2, and click on your Fruity limiter, click on slot 3, add the Fruity soft clipper. On the next beat, I'll click on slot 1, add the Fruity parametric Q2, I'll click on slot 2 and add a Fruity limiter. On slot 3, I'm going to add a Fruity compressor. Good. Where I've written part 1, I will right click and click split by chaining. As you can see, everything I've programmed has appeared on the top left corner of my FL Studio. I'll click on my kick, click into my playlist, click on my hi-hat, click into my playlist, click on my snare, click into my playlist, click into my FL keys, click into my playlist, and click on the last melody, click back on my playlist like this. Very simple. After doing so, I will left click and hold it, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B several times. And then make sure I remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. After doing so, I will left click, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B to extend my beat. I'll extend my beat up to the outro. I'll just click on my FL Studio here. I'll pick this one called draw. Click now on my FL keys, extend it to 85. Click on my boom bars, extend it to 85. I will remove the hi-hat, remove the snare here. Then let's play the beat. Let's play the Iceland trap beat from the start to the end. Tomorrow I'm bringing the full details. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make Iceland trap beat. See you tomorrow in another video. Thank you. Goodbye.